Okay, the camera cut off, so now we use this as a second part. So yeah, I got this bit out, and these are the little plastic things they use for the connectors. If the camera, I hope if the camera focuses. There we go. DMC Wave. Make ends meet. Excellent. I just I just put pressure on it and it just broke. The plastic is very rigid, so I'm 100% sure that's not supposed to happen. But yeah, this is kind of made from 1993. The plastic, you see, I just disappeared on me. There we go. There's another one. I just squeezed this bit and it just broke from there, but I'm not going to do that with this one. Anyway, leave that alone. Let's get into the good bits. So we got this. There's always one screw that likes to play hard to get. Every time you're trying to take something apart, one screw doesn't want to let go. But not to worry, we always get them at the end. So we've got there. That apart. There we go, we've got more of these funky cables. Okay, let's just see. There we go, more of the cables. Now let's see why it isn't this one to open up. There we go. We got this. Aha! This is an RF relay. Let's just disconnect it from there. I actually had the connection here. Duh. But yeah, here. Let's just get the camera to focus on this little piece. There we are. And then we got 28 volt VDC, and this is an RF relay. Okay, slowly we're getting there. So we got this, which connects to there. Just take this apart over here. We just move the whole thing to this side so it's visible in the camera. There we go. So now you see what I'm doing over this side. I'm just unscrewing this unit over here. This unit over here. And it's got these connectors again to it. And this board kind of looks identical to the other board that was on the other side, so I'm not sure if this whole two sections are identical. It seems to be. I mean, we had the same bandpass filter on the other side. There we go. So we had the same bandpass filter we had on the other side and this side. This kind of look identical because I'm sure we had something similar to this on the other side. We just took apart. And we had this section already taken apart on the other side. I just take that. We will see in a minute. Let me just take this apart and then we will see if they are identical or not. Like that. Yep, I believe these are, each two parts are identical. So whatever was on this side is same as what was on the other side, because we had this before. I can just find it. There we go. There we are. So we got down converter and down converter. Both say the same thing. And I believe both got the same info on them. Actually, maybe not. They're both 576 megahertz. They're both down converters. They both got 13M there. They both got that. Yeah, I believe they are actually the same. That's just the serial number which is different on them. They're both revision G. And they both got the same. Yeah, they both got the same connection and everything. So yeah, that is two down converters, identical. So I think everything on this side was identical to this side, because the board, the PCB board, looks almost the same. Let's just take everything apart and then we will see. Yep, same things again. DC to 9.218. I need a better lighting. There we go. We've got this. Yep, it's connected to this cables again. There we go. As I'm not going to be using these metal RF shielded cables, so it doesn't matter if I bend them around. We've got the same filter again. So we got the same kind of what we had on the other one. We had this whatever RF unit we had. We had the op amp on top, and we had this. We had our filter, and it was up converter, same as what it was on the other one. With its all the info being the same. So yeah, that's another one. Then we got this, which is presumably a duplex filter, which you get two signals coming from either side. You get a signal coming from either side and then coming out to an antenna on the other side. Again, we got the same DC-DC converter over here with the voltage regulators. It's exactly identical to what was on the other side. There we go. Oop. These things don't like to let go. So we gotta play hard to get to them. Oh, they're not. There we go. Yeah, as you can see, this unit is identical to what we had on the other side. Bring the other unit up. There we go. Both identical. Exactly the same. Everything. So, that's good. I've got two of everything. I'm going to get these standoffs. There we go. Oop, camera is doing a shaky move. There we are. Same as what we had on the other one. And then we got some RF connectors, not a K or N connectors. And then we can, if I can get my screwdriver, we can get this out. There we go. Use the right screwdriver this time. There we are. You can see how bouncy it is. You might have something inside which is sensitive to movement. That's why they have mounted on these compared to the other stuff. But you never know. Once I open it, we'll find out if that's the case or not. And for the time being, we just take everything up. So, this whole unit, I believe at the bottom, it connects to 4 screws on each side. Yep. So we got the screw there, we got a screw there, we got a screw there. And we have a screw here. Yep. This whole thing lifts out. I think I need to take this out first before the whole thing comes out. Now that relief comes out from there, but let's see here, just push this forward. This comes out from here, but I'm not sure how we're gonna get it out of there. See, it comes out of there, but that's it. How are you supposed to get this out? Aha! Silly me. We do have some. There we go. Got this kind of jelly kind of things on the corners, probably for on the sides. Got this gel kind of thing. I think probably it's for moisture. And everything's got thousands of screws in them. Taking RF stuff apart takes time because everything's got so much screws on them. It's ridiculous. But on the plus note, by the time you're finished, you've got thousands of screws. Take this out. Oops. This was, I believe, somewhere like so, maybe. There we go. Like so. Oop. And you had that connected on top of that to form your duplex filter, and this will be the base for connection for the antenna that connects to the top of this and gets the RF out. But that's that. Let's take this apart. Yep, there we go. We got these screws here, and we have these screws over here. And once that's done, this whole thing's down here comes apart. But yeah, it's on its own is heavy as well. We'll keep that. I'm sure it comes useful. And we will keep the screws. Lots of screws. Okay, get the screws there. What we're going to do is we're going to take the RF connectors, so we can close this. And we got these. Okay, we got these RF connectors to take out. I'm not too fussed about the BNCs, but we want these connectors out. So let's see. Alright, we're gonna go the other way around. There we go. There we go. Nice beefy RF connector there. Okay, that's that. It's a nice little suitcase. Shame that it's very heavy and it's not useful for anything. I might keep it to store some stuff in it. I'm not too sure, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little info thing that was stuck on it. Let's see. There we go. There we are. Let's just close this. And there we go. That is how nice this is. It's a shame these days nothing comes like this. Got a nice internal diagram of everything. Everything is labeled here. And really nice. Quite like it. I think I'll keep these. Anyway, that was a teardown of interesting RF unit. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and until next time, goodbye.